Hi, today we are going to make easy chicken biryani. Easy and simple chicken biryani recipe. So let's start now. Add oil, little water, chicken, onions, and tomatoes, and cook well. Now add spices. Note the spices. Add dhania masala, red chili flakes, red pepper, haldi, turmeric, cloves, darchini, biryani masala, salt, add some extra tomatoes and mix well. Cook well and mix well. Don't skip the video. Watch carefully. Cook well. Add salt. Mix well. Water dries up. Add some water. Green chilies. Boiled rice. Add biryani masala. Now add boiled rice. Now cover till the rice is soft and water dries up. Now open it. Wow! Our biryani, easy, simple, crispy biryani is ready. Very yummy and tasty biryani is ready now. Must subscribe and hit the bell icon.